The Pirate Kids, A Bad Day at Pirate School by Johanna Goldman. Table of Contents, A Stumbling Start. Chapter 2, Sally Wog. Chapter 3, Where Did I Go? Chapter 4, Piper Remembers. Chapter 1, A Stumbling Start. Ah, Piper! Time to hurry! You will be late for pirate school. Piper's mom calls to her. I can't find my silver eye patch. Piper shouts back. Just choose another one, honey. Her mom says. Captain Shuckrook is waiting. Piper sighs. Then grab one of her old black eye patches. She climbs up the ladder to main deck. Hurry up! Slowpoke! Percy shouts from the teacher's box. Piper hurry to catch up. Just then she hears another more squawky voice from above. Hurry up, Slowpoke! Piper looks up. Poppy the parrot is perched on one of the ship's mast. Piper smiles at the silly bird. Hey, wait a minute! Piper sees something shiny gripped in Poppy's claws. It's her silver eye patch. Ugh! Piper, you the best scuttle about now. Lassie, her teacher, Captain Shutrook calls from his boat. But Poppy has my silver eye patch. She calls back to him. Ah, yes, parrots love shiny things, Matty. I'm sure you can get it back from her later. Hurry along now, Captain Shutrook says. Shiny? Poppy squawks. Shiny! Piper gives a sign, then scurries along across the gangplank. Halfway there, she trips and her lunchbag falls into the ocean. My sandwich! She cries. Do sharks like peanut butter and jelly, Captain? She hears a Percy ask. That's a good question, Captain Chatruk says. Maybe we can find the answer in the pirate library. Come along, Piper. I have some leftover pirate stews you can have for lunch. They climb below deck. Piper watches her lunch sink into the sea. Her day isn't off to a very good start. Chapter 2, A Sally Wog. Piper and Percy sit at the long table in Captain Shutrook's classroom. Yo ho ho, Silver! Meet Timbers. Captain Shutrook smiles at them, showing off his gold front tooth. Yo ho yo, shiver me, Timbers, Captain. The children call back. Today we are going to have our first lesson on how to read a treasure map. You will each get a chance to use my golden compass. Captain Shutrook holds up his compass. It sparkles in light. Whoo! And Percy exclaims, Whoo! But first time for wooden leg practice, Captain Shutrook says how now Percy says. She slumps forward onto a table. I'm terrible at wooden leg walking. Well, that's why it's called practice, right, Piper? Captain Shutrook says. Yes, yep, says Piper. I'll go first. Piper hoops out of her chair. She bends her knee and carefully attaches the wooden leg to her kneecap. Suddenly, Poppy the parrot flies through the classroom window. Well, look who decided to join us, Captain Shutrook says. I hope she didn't drop my silver eye patch into ocean. Piper frowns. Yep, you were already dropped enough in the ocean today, Percy giggles. Oh, hush, you scallywag. He shoots back. Poppy swats and flies back out of the room. Chapter 3, Where did it go? Where did it go? All right now, children. No name calling. Captain Shutrook frowns. Let's focus, please. Come on, Piper. Show us the wooden leg skills of yours. Yes, sir. Piper says. This is how you do it, brother. Piper carefully balances on the wooden leg. Then she does a quick run across the classroom. Suddenly, the board rocks and she tumbles into the floor. Ouch! Piper cries. She can hear Percy covering a giggle. You okay, Matty? Captain Shattuck helps her up. Yes, Piper pouts. She has never fallen in a wooden leg practice before. Don't worry, lass. Remember, it's college practice. Captain Shattuck flashes her golden teeth grin at her. Piper. Piper takes off wooden leg and slouches back to her seat. She can't wait for this day to be over. Percy gets out and has this turn. With the wooden leg, she's very wobbly and slow but doesn't fall down. Now, me freebooters, it's time for treasure map class. Captain Shattuck claps his hand. Wait, what's a freebooter? Percy asks. Why, that's you, Captain Shattuck says. Freebooter is another name for a pirate. Ha, cool, Percy smiles. Now, where did I put my golden compass? Captain Shattuck begins to pull things out of the coat package. He pulls out the brass fishing hook, he pulls out the knotted bit of rope, and he pulls out a big rusty key, but there's no sign of his compass. Blimey! Captain Shattuck says, I thought I put right here on the desk. I guess our very first treasure hunt will be to find my golden compass. Chapter 4 Piper Remembers. Captain Shattuck and Percy research all over the boat for the compass. They took under tables, they looked beneath old maps, they even looked in Captain Shattuck's refrigerator. Ugh, nothing in there but pirate stew, I'm afraid. Captain Shattuck signs that. Scratches his head. I'm kind of hungry. Percy says, it's time for lunch yet? Percy, we need to find the compass first, Piper says. But we looked everywhere. I'm ready to give up. Percy grumbles. Captain Shattuck, are you sure you put the compass back on the desk? Piper asked him. Captain Shattuck tips his head to one side, trying to think as he does. His earrings shimmer in the light. Suddenly, Piper remembers something. We need to find Poppy. Piper races up later. Captain Shattuck and Percy quickly follow. Ha ha! I knew it. She shouts. There's a Poppy class. Is Captain Shattuck's golden compass. Yo ho ho! Well done, Piper. Captain Shattuck says, now is what I call some clever treasure hunting. Well done, says. Percy gives her a high five. Thanks, Piper grins, parrot loud, shining thinks maybe I'm not such a bad freebooter after all. Captain Shattuck smiles her, his golden tooth flashes in the sunlight. Shining Poppy squawks. Careful, Captain, Piper says. Poppy might try to take your tooth next. Together, the three laugh. Piper's bad pirate day suddenly doesn't feel so bad anymore.